The way I figure it out, everyone gets a miracle. The guy will probably never be struck by lightning or win a Nobel Prize, or become the dictator of a small nation in the Pacific Islands, or contract terminal ear cancer, or spontaneously combust. But if you consider all the unlikely things together, at least one of them will probably happen to each of us.
Paper girls and paper boys were not meant to be together in the end.